nurse.
Mistress, what mistress? Juliet, fast. I want her cheek. Why lamb, why lady, why you love bed? What, not a word? You take your penny worth now. Sleep for a week for the next night I water. The company has set up his bed, that you should rest but little. I need must wake her. Madam, 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 I let the county take you in your bed. He will fry you up, I say. Would it not be? I will need wake you. Lady, 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 alas, help, help, my lady's dead. Oh well, a day that ever I was born, son of a vida. Oh, my lord, my lady.
Enter Capulet.
What is noise here?
Oh, lamentable day.
What is the matter?
Look, look, oh, heavy day.
Oh my child, my only life. Revive, look up, or I will die with thee. Help, help, call help.
Enter Capulet.
For James, bring Julie forth, the Lord is come.
She's dead, she's dead, alas, she's dead.
I like the day. She's dead, she's dead, she's dead.
Let me see her. Out alas, she's good. Her blood is settled and her joints are stiff. The sight of her like an wound, some tiny frost upon the sweetest flower of all the field.
Oh, lamentable day.
Oh, wolf time.
Enter Friar Laurel and party with musicians. Come, is the bride ready to go to church?
Oh son, the night before the wedding day, hath death lain with thy wife. See, there she lies, flower, as she was, the flower by him. I will die and leave him on. Life, living, all is dead.
Have I sought, Lord, to see this morning face, and doth it give me such a sight as this?
Accursed unhappy, green, hateful day, but one poor and loving child, but one thing to rejoice and so I sing, and two dread we have crushed him from sight.
Most lamentable day, most woeful day, that ever I did have before. Oh day, oh day, oh hateful day, never was it so black as a day like this. Most discoverable day, by his reward, by cruel be quite overthrown. Oh love, oh life, not life, but love is dead.
Despised, distressed, hated, minded, killed. Oh child, my soul and not my child. Dead, I too, dead, alas, my child is dead. And with my child my joys are buried.
Peace, awful change. In this confusion,
Heaven yourself, hot part in this far man, no heaven but all, and all the merit is this for the maid. For those you are, she will be advancing, above the clouds as heaven itself. Why you wrong man, seeing that she is well, she is not well married that this man none. Dry up your tears and see your rosy milk. Of the fair course and as the custom is, in all her best arrive fair,